Hey guys, this is MTP Tech and today I'm unboxing the MSI SUPRIM Liquid GeForce RTX 5090 GPU. So let's get into the box. Let's see what we have here. MSI Liquid 32GB GDDR7 RAM. What do we have on the back? Look at my finger. Yeah, this is the liquid cooling version. It's interesting why they started to, put it afterburner somewhere, because this is product developed by one Russian developer. How they still do it. Anyways, on that side, serial number, nothing too much. Okay, let's get into this beauty. Oh my gosh, the presentation is amazing. I think you can see it, but there's this SUPRIM Liquid logo there. Let's open this up. What do you have here? Adapter, which we shouldn't use. We have some screws, and we have the big things itself. Oh my lord. This comes in two parts, I guess. The GPU itself. Oh, it's even, oh no, no logo. I thought that was with logo. That's the GPU. Amazing radiator. Now that's a biggie. Oh lord, look at the radiator. Damn, okay. Let's put it to the side somewhere. Let's see what else in the box. Is there a European Union regulatory, then MSI quick guide. Is there anything more in this box? Let's take out the last insulation foams. Nope, that's it. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's get some light. Ooh, and it's RGB. Prism or something. Okay, now we have these components to take out on the back. Ooh, the GPU itself. Now, now this is heavy. Let's take out the plastic first. Brim. Here. There's one fan. But those who watch the whole build knows that we have two more fans in the bottom of the GPU. Okay, so this is the silent VBIOS on the default. I actually going to use it on silent. I decided not to push it too much. Bam! Let's take out the covers. Now, the cooler. That's massive. Now, take out the glass. Take out the front. The fan. It out. Now let's open back to disconnect the RGB fan. Maybe I'll give it away if anyone wants. Now don't leave those cables hanging there, so it does not make any strange rattling sound. Now it's time to screw the radiator. One screw on the bottom. Okay, this done. We can put the front. And now, putting the GPU in. Second and third slots out. Let's just screw it in. Okay, one screw in. I got the screw in. It got in. Let me push it. And now I see everywhere. Oh boy. And it's PlayStation 5. And it's already displaying. Oh my lord, it works. It works. Now let's see closer. Okay. That was the unboxing and the build part for the MSI SUPRIM Liquid RTX 5090 GPU. Thank you for watching this video. Press like on this video, comment if you have any questions, if you have any needs or any suggestions for the video, write it in the comment section. And subscribe to the channel, so we're gonna continue doing this technology travel. So Thank you for being today with us, and see you to the next time. Bye.